Welcome back to the Civil Rights Lawyer channel. Sometimes interesting issues arise when police officers put themselves in places they really shouldn't be. This is such one case. This comes to us from Carroll, Iowa. This police officer decided to take a ride on the hood of a guy's car. Let's take a look at the footage.
I'm going to be on traffic with that. King Henry Frank 765, Burgess and Leclerc. Burgess and Leclerc, King Henry Frank 765.
The guy being stopped here, his name is Dennis Guider Jr. He's age 27 of Chicago Heights, Illinois. He was found by police at the Taco Bell drive-thru, and he was stopped shortly thereafter. He was wanted in Illinois for violating his parole for burglary and fraud. He had been sentenced up to 6 years in prison and was paroled in July of 2019. So this traffic stop was occurring in March of 2021. A woman had been driving his car when it was stopped that afternoon, and Guider refused to get out. When one of the officers involved in that stop confronted Dennis, and you'll see what happens.
How's it going, guys? Hey, Dennis. Hey, hate to be the one to tell you this, but it sounds like you got a warrant out of Illinois. Okay. You got your ID on you? Sorry? Okay. Do you have anything on you? Okay. Why don't you step out of the car until we can identify you?
I'll note here just briefly that at a valid traffic stop, police officers can order the driver out of the car and can order any occupants out of the car. The main U.S. Supreme Court decision on that is Pennsylvania versus Mims. It's very well settled law.
You got anything on your person, man? You got anything on you? Any weapons or anything like that? What's up? Awesome. Okay, go ahead and step out. Hello? Go and step out, man. Yeah, reach. Unbuckle your seatbelt and step out of the vehicle. Yeah, what's up?
Now, I've never been to police academy, but if I were a cop and if I were the cop in this situation, I probably would have gotten him out of the car first before telling him that he had a warrant out of Illinois.
Hey, Dennis. Hey, hate to be the one to tell you this, but it sounds like you got a warrant out of Illinois.
But as you can see, now he's in the situation that he's told him about this warrant, so he knows he's going to get arrested. He knows he's going to go to jail and face whatever's waiting for him back in Illinois. So now he's still in the car, and he's not wanting to get out of the car. The situation has escalated.
Stop the car, man! Stop the car! Stop the car! Stop the fucking car! Stop the fucking car!
Now, again, I have not been to police academy, but I think some poor choices have been made here. This police officer is standing directly in front of this car that is running and has somebody at the wheel, and the occupants don't want to get out of the car. And there's a warrant in Illinois. What's going to happen if they just run you over? You know, I have kids. If you have kids, you've probably taken them through parking lots before in places like Kroger or Walmart where you have absolutely insane people behind the wheel. And it's always running through the back of your mind, like they could run you over, run your kid over at any time. So if you have somebody who is a known felon, who is not wanting to get out of the car because he's going to go to jail, why are you getting in front of the vehicle? So this is definitely a training issue, and what it's doing is either endangering what's supposed to be the all-important thing of officer safety, or it's setting up a situation where now you have a deadly force situation. Because if the person hits the gas pedal, now they treat the vehicle as a deadly weapon, and you can watch video after video of the cops just shooting people through their windshield. Now, was that choice made intentionally here? I don't think so, based on what happens next.
Stop the fucking car! Stop it! Stop the car! Stop the car! Get off the fuck! Put on the goddamn brakes! Put on the fucking brakes! Put on the brakes! Stop the fucking car! Stop the fucking car, man! Jesus! Stop the car, man!
So it was probably at about this time that this police officer, Patrick McCarty, realized that he had made a mistake. He ended up being on the car for about a third of a mile as this car sped around at estimated speeds of up to 60 miles per hour. Of course there's a train up there. I mean, of course there is. As you could see there, Officer McCarty was ultimately thrown from the vehicle where he apparently broke his back and he was injured pretty severely. So now this guy Dennis, who was on parole and facing parole violations for his 6-year sentence in Illinois, now has been sentenced to another 5 years in prison as of this week, which is why this video is coming out today. So Dennis Guider, now age 29 of Illinois, is going to be in prison for quite a long time.
Carroll 91, he is going north past the county shed to Highway 30. I have 1050 in a ditch. I need medics to my location. I have Officer McCarty down. I'm okay, man. Go get him. I'm alright. Sure? You good? Go get him.
Maybe this will make its way into some police academy training sessions. Like, don't jump on the hood of a car. And if you're going to jump in front of a car or jump on the hood of a car, perhaps you want to be ready to use deadly force. And clearly this guy put himself in that position, in the position to use deadly force, but then changed his mind and decided he'd rather just go on a ride of up to 60 miles an hour, like Grand Theft Auto style. It did occur to me, like, all right, so you're in that position, now what do you do? Well, maybe if he wasn't willing to shoot the guy, perhaps he could have just unloaded his magazine into the engine compartment of the vehicle, just like it worked in Black Hawk Down, right? Anyways, just some crazy footage that I thought you would enjoy, along with the rest of the story. So as always, thanks for watching. If you like going over police body cam footage and things like that, and talking about constitutional law, though there's not a whole lot of it in application here, please make sure to subscribe both here and at the blog at thecivilrightslawyer.com. I have a lot of interesting cases and videos coming up, so please make sure to subscribe. Remember, freedom is scary. Deal with it. I'll see you next time.